Assalamu alaikum. This is Jalal Ismaili again. How are you today? I hope you enjoyed this short break. I cannot call it a holiday. I hope you enjoyed it. Today, inshallah, I'd like to talk to you about a very important phenomenon that is of brain drain. I think that you are already familiar with the word brain, okay, but the word drain is new to you. What does it mean? Drain is synonymous with leak. So when you put a liquid in a container, for instance, glass, okay, I don't know, bucket, and you put a hole in the bucket, what happens to the liquid in it? It leaks, it drains, it goes away. So this is drain. And brain drain, okay, describes the phenomenon of losing intellectual people who move to other countries, okay, escaping certain conditions and seeking or in search for better or different conditions. I'd like you to follow up with me, okay? Turn on your books, page 103, okay? We're going step by step, and at the end of this lesson, I'm going to ask you to do some homework. So if we take exercise A, it contains 4 pictures, as you can see, okay? Picture A, B, C, D. Okay, again, it is page 103. Okay, so each picture represents something, and I'm going to talk to you about each one or every picture. The first picture represents or depicts a brain carrying some suitcases. Okay, that is a brain moving somewhere else. And this is what I'm talking about, the immigration of intellectual, skilled, qualified people to other countries. B, that is a person carrying something, that thing is a diploma. C, that is a pathway, with a question mark in the middle, okay? What does it represent? It represents obscurity relative to the future. Somebody who doesn't know what is coming ahead. And D, as you can see, this is a group of students studying in a classroom. Now, look at these pictures, write all the words and ideas that you can think of. Okay, I think we have generated some ideas that will help us in the coming exercises. Exercise B, with your partner, put the pictures above in a logical order, then justify your choice and share it with the whole class. So there is like a chronology, okay? One picture happens first, then something comes next, third and fourth. So what do you think, okay, which picture represents the event that happens first? Is it A, the immigration of brains, okay, B, graduation, C, feeling unsure, or D, studying? I think yes, you get it right. Okay, the first thing is D. Okay, you take classes. After taking classes, you finish your studies with receiving a diploma. This is graduation. After graduation, you would look for a job. And if you fail to find the one that you're looking for, the appropriate one that responds to your prospects, that responds to your dreams, okay, you start to feel unsure. That is picture C. And finally, you resort to the last solution, that is of moving away. That is picture A. Exercise C. What do we call the action of having highly skilled and educated people leaving their own country to work abroad? Choose from the list. So right there we have 4 concepts. I'm going to go over these words one by one and explain each one and what it means. Immigration. First we need to differentiate between 3 words. Migration, emigration with E-M, and immigration with I-double-M. Okay, so what does each one mean? Migration, this word is used mostly with the with animals and with birds, moving from one place to another place, seeking better weather condition, better climate, or seeking, for instance, just water, grass, etc. Emigration with EM, emigration, this means moving from one place to another, okay, from one place, okay. Immigration with IMM, okay, means moving to a new place, moving to a new place. So you need always, okay, to differentiate between the three words. Deportation. Deportation, for instance, somebody, an immigrant living in Spain, but he doesn't have the required documents, okay, just to stay in the country. So once they commit a crime or something, they are deported to their mother country. They are moved by force to their mother nation. Brain drain, okay, I think I've just explained this one, okay. Exile, the exile could be used as a noun and as a verb. As a noun, it means it is a place where you are forced to stay, to live in, because you've committed, for instance, because you are in political conflict with somebody in a higher position, okay. And to exile somebody means to force them to leave somewhere, okay. King Mohammed V was exiled to Madagascar. This is just one example. So what do we call the action of having highly skilled, okay, people who have skill, okay, who can do things, okay, that are required in a certain country? And educated people live in their own country, of course, the answer is brain drain. Now, the phenomenon of brain drain happens due to two main factors. And we differentiate between, or distinguish between, push factors and pull factors. Push factors are mostly negative things, okay? Negative, I would call them triggers that push you, try to seek a different country or a better country, okay, where you can enjoy better living conditions and better living standards. And pull factors are the factors that attract you to a certain place. It could be, for instance, money. It could be, for instance, I don't know, okay, placing at your disposal better education facilities, etc. So push factors are the negative factors in the home country that push skilled and educated people to leave their country. Pull factors, as I've explained, are the positive factors that attract skilled and educated people to another country. And right here we have a list of factors, push factors and pull factors, and you are asked, you are invited to draw like a table, and you put the pull factors on one column and push factors on the other column, okay? Number one, higher wages and income. And wage is a salary. This is what you receive after finishing a job. This is what you get at the end of the month, okay? Higher wages and income. What do you think of this? Is it push factor or pull factor? So please answer me in your messages, okay? Please draw a table like the one that you have here on page 103. Take a picture and share it with me, please. Number two, low wages and salaries. Number three, substantial funds for research, advanced technology, and modern facilities. Okay, substantial means important. Funds, simply put, money placed at your disposal. Substantial funds, it could be, for instance, scholarships, it could be stipends, for research, advanced technology, and modern facilities. And facilities, this is like a false friend to the word facilité. Okay, c'est pas la même chose. It's not the same thing. Okay, facilities are buildings, okay, institutes placed at your disposal. The university, institutes, research labs are facilities. So what do you think of this? Is it a push factor or pull factor? Please answer me in a message. And satisfactory living conditions, and satisfactory things that make you not happy about something. Lack of research and other facilities, including support staff. Declining quality of educational system. Declining means moving from bad to worse. It's not. It is the opposite of improving. Okay. Political stability. Social unrest. Unrest means that the conditions are not normal. Okay, are not optimal. Okay, sometimes you get like revolutions. You get like I don't know, protests, etc. Social unrest, political conflicts, and wars. Better working conditions. Number 10, discrimination in appointments and promotions. For instance, a certain group of people is privileged, is given priority over another one. Intellectual freedom. And last one, okay, lack of satisfactory working conditions. So please take your exercise book and draw a table with the causes of brain drain, push factors and pull factors, and please try to distinguish or put, okay, the factors in the corresponding column. The last exercise that I would like to share with you, or to assign today, is E. Which push or pull factors are the most applicable to Moroccan immigrating brains? So if you have to move to another country, what are the things that you think can provoke you seek better living conditions, etc.? Okay, what are the things that would push you, okay, to think about this option? Okay, and what are the things that you may dream of, that you may that you want to satisfy, that will make you think of moving abroad? Thank you very much. This is it for today. I hope it wasn't too long this time, and I'm waiting for your answers. So I have assigned 2 things, okay, the table, plus tell me 2 push factors and 2 pull factors, okay, that you think are relative or pertinent to the Moroccan scenario. Have a good day. Bye-bye.